Day 23 of the Karen Read retrial began with a legal issue in which the judge ruled that the prosecution were allowed to block introduction of the contents of Trooper Paul's report, despite the fact that prosecution witness Dr. Welcher was presenting findings that use information from that Trooper Paul report.
The core point made by Alessi is that the start point of the Lexus mileage readings comes from Paul's report, and if that start point is wrong, then the location for the crucial high-speed reverse maneuver would not be at the location of the alleged collision.
Defense attorney Alessi argued that it is a Sixth Amendment right for the defendant to challenge any evidence presented against them. The sense seems to be that attorneys watching the trial do not agree this decision. This potentially opens up a reversible error for the defense to challenge to the appeals court.
Alessi then spent considerable challenging various measurements related to Karen Read's Lexus in relation to the 3D image used by the witness that he purported showed that the tail light would not have been cracked after the alleged incident at Fairview, and then, separately, the height of the variable suspension settings at both Fairview and Meadows. The witness crucially conceded that he had no knowledge of the actual settings in either and had assumed that they were the same as 2 days later at Canton Police Department. The variation in settings can be up to 5 inches and could materially undermine, the defense contends, the calculations related to any impact at Fairview or Meadows.
With the wind-up of the testimony of Dr. Welcher, there was a focus again on the defense claim that there was confirmation bias on the point of his analysis that did not properly examine potential hypotheses based on data discovered during the investigation. Of course, he denied it, but that claim and the admission that some key data was not available will be challenged in the defense case.
The prosecution ended its case and the defense are now expected to raise a motion for a directed verdict of not guilty, possibly even for at least the murder charge. Trial continues on Friday.